In-order ko pang palaki ng tiyan. And here are my luscious desserts from 90s. We have Graham cakes. So this one is Oreo Graham. Wow! Look at that. And then Rocky Road flavor. We also have this Mango Float Graham. The very popular mango float, a go-to kapag Pasko, yung mga tita natin, laging naggagawa ng mango float. And avocado graham. I love avocados. At ito naman, palitaw and buchi from Made by Nanay. And it's so sweet because she leaves sweet notes on the box, handwritten notes. Sabi niya, salamat anak, take care and keep safe. It's so sweet. Made by Nanay. So we have here custard palitaw. This one. Later, I will show you the filling. Yema buchi. Look at the buchi. Gigantic size. This one is yema palitaw. Well, they basically have the same exterior. It's just that nagkakaiba-iba lang sila sa filling. And this one is custard buchi. Also the same appearance. And classic palitaw.